Within this video, we will show you how to move using a pattern. Moving using a pattern is very common when you have a name, but you would like to map it to a full name, or you have an address, but you would like to move it to a shipping address. For this, we can use move using a pattern. So for a simple key, we can move name towards full name, and then you can see that the name key is removed and full name key is containing the old value. We can also do this using a pattern. With a pattern, we, for example, can take address.star, and we would like to replace that to full, shipping address, and then $1. So everything within the star becomes the $1. And therefore, we can move everything from the address towards the shipping address.